Barbara Yancey Tooks. I teach public speaking to include interpersonal communication, organizational and professional communication, as well as public speaking. I've been teaching at the community college for approximately 12 years. I decided to become a teacher after transitioning from the military because I wanted to be able to give back to the community, and the way that you do that is through students. My experience here at EPCC is that students are the ones who are teaching me, where in fact I feel that I am gaining the learning experience. What I do to use my knowledge and skills to help students grow is sharing with them the importance of doing good quality research, to build thorough preparation outlines so that when they do have the opportunity to speak, that they do so effectively.